Hi guys, welcome back to How to Maximize. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your TikTok account was permanently banned, right? So basically, you just can't access your TikTok account from the TikTok application. So you have to just go to any of the browser. I will choose the Chrome browser here, and on the search bar, you have to type TikTok help, right? And after that, just hit the enter, and basically you will get this TikTok help center. Just click on here and it will take a very few seconds just to load. So here on the search bar you have to type ban, right, and just hit the enter, and basically here you will get the option that is a content violation and ban. You have to just click here because if TikTok has banned your account, this means that you have violated any kind of rules and regulations or policies or anything, or you have just posted abusive or pornography type of videos over the TikTok. That's why they have banned. And if they mistakenly ban, then that's not a problem. Just applying here, or after you will get your TikTok account back, right? So just go to the back here and you have to just scroll a little bit down, and you can just read all of the information. And was this helpful? No, you have to just click here no. And basically after that you have to just go to up, and here you can see a lot of option. So guys, here is the information that how you can unban your account. Basically there is a no platform, or there is a no form type where you can just explain your problem. In the TikTok mobile application you will get that your account is banned, and below there and somewhere you will find the appeal option. So just click on the appeal, and you have to give all the information and description that why your account was banned. And basically if you have violated any kind of rules and regulations of TikTok, then it's very tough to get your TikTok ban account to back to you, right? So this is it guys. From here you can just read all the information, and this is it. If you found this video really useful, make sure to like this video, subscribe channel, and see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.